Renowned business advisor, author, and speaker Professor Charan mesmerized the audience with his enchanting speech that was full of valuable advice and guidance.
I come from a town 36 miles from Delhi. At the age of 10, 11, this is now 1949. We have just been given the independence. There are no resources, so the fathers of the town create a makeshift school for us kids. We start on the floor. We have 2 shifts, 7 to 11 and 1 to 5. They found the local instructors, their passion. I can still remember to this day. Sometimes some of them taught us through singing. Real words. I don't mean film music. So now I reflect and look back, and they gave us 3 universal truths. I like to repeat the word, 3 universal truths. I can recite them, even though my memory at the age of 83 is fading. And these words ring in my ears, not just mine, but my classmates. The first universal truth, and I test that in every religion, as Dr. Charan said, I go around the world, in every company, every city, we come with nothing and we go out with nothing. That's the frame of reference for peace of mind and satisfying the soul. Am I clear? I ask that question every day. If I die today, did I understand? I came with nothing and I'm going out with nothing. Clear? The second truth, no one of us knows what is the duration of our life. Right? So what you got to do, you do today. You don't leave legacies. You leave your humanity, your service. You're developing people, doing something. And you say, yeah, I got 83 years of my life. I got, with memory, about 75 years. What did I do? What should I have done? What I did not do? I will share with you my life that gives me satisfaction to my soul. And I do have a peace of mind. There are things we do in yoga that helps. So I want to tell you, one of my teachers, we were sitting on the floor, he is having a chair, no desks. Anybody recalls the word takhti? We used to write on the takhti. He didn't have any of those good things. And he would sing. I remember 4 items of the singing, and then I had to figure out the other 3. Why the conflict? Be it globally, be it nationally, be it in your company, be it in your section of the world, be it in the family. And the 4 words were Bhayam. Everybody understand Bhayam? Fear. Bhayam. Krodh. Everybody understand? Anger. Alasya. Laziness. And Dirk Sutra. They are observable. The other 3, Ahankar, ego. Shabd Kosh, blind ambition. Just think of these. And then the last one is Trishna, greed. I did not invent them. They come from our strictures. They come from Vedas. The leaders of the world are human beings, isn't it? They are in these 7 items. Blind ambition, uncontrolled ego, unlimited greed. Should call that, see that? They disguise that under the name passion. Fear. I don't want to name the nation, but you can guess. The president of this large nation says, we fear America will attack us. That's why we're doing that. It's verbatim quote, I have it. I work in China, I serve on the boards in Chinese companies. Fear, anger. So now, go back, look at 1950s when I'm a high school student. They show all this. And they teach us that you reflect in your life as you go forward what you did, what you did not do. What are some of the human acts you do? So I'm going to delineate some human acts. I try to practice it. I observe them. As Dr. Charan mentioned, I'm allowed to work with these people who have become multi-billionaires across the globe. Not just in India, America, Brazil, China, Japan. It's amazing how common those things are in these people. So, first thing I want you to know, they taught us at the high school level. This is not, I'm reflecting back because what I do. The most critical part of peace of mind and satisfying the soul is to listen to the person. How many of you have seen in the family, they are arguing and not listening to each other? They're talking at the same time. Have you seen that before? And they're reflecting what were the issues of the past. And that creates conflict. So we're going to do peace of mind, satisfying the soul. Listen to the point of view of the person. Be patient. Peace of mind will come when you say, I understand what is being said and why it is being said. Listen, patience, take a breather. The second part, and it is the most important part, it applies in India-China conflict. It applies America-China conflict. It applies conflict and competition, and that is building trust. No trust, no resolution of conflict. You have to work hard at it and say, can the trust be built? Don't say, we can't build the trust. Keep finding it, how you build trust. Without the trust and without listening, we can't have a peace of mind and do that. But the third part that I have never forgotten, these were to me the jewels of India teaching us kids. And they're never seen as heroes. And that was, if you satisfy your soul, learn every day. They used to say, nobody can take knowledge away from you. No one can take. Knowledge helps you, peace of mind. Knowledge makes you think that I am moving forward. Knowledge in the right sense of the word. and the knowledge that you're using it. But there was one more thing they drilled in us. And then I'll give you the stories. And they said, the act of kindness. Do in your own way. So in the high school, the principal walks into the class. I come from a low-income family, but we're not starving. And he announces that he is going to take this meager scholarship from the son of a barber. In those days, barbers make very little, if anything. And we will give it to Ram Charan. This is absolute truth.